you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glitter Bitch. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my Glitter Bitch box just arrived. They are a bi-monthly box. So I just received, I don't know if they're considering this like October or November or both. This is my third and now my last box. I have canceled. After the first box, I pretty much canceled. I did buy a 3 months, well, actually 6 months because it's bi-monthly, but I bought a 3-box subscription of this in the beginning, and this is my third and now final box. I did also make sure that they did cancel my account and they were not going to charge me again because I just really don't want to have this box anymore. So let's go ahead and see what this box brings. Now, it does have a mailer bag that I did remove, and this is what's inside. It's not sealed or anything, but this is inside of the sealed mailer bag. And at the end of me opening this, I'll let you know about them if you do want information on this company. But for now, let's just get into the Ooh, that is pretty. It looks like a little mermaid going on back there. And that's the same as her card. Now, I know when she first came out with her very first box, she said she was going to change up the boxes every box. But my first 2 boxes were the same picture inside. So this time she did change up the box, and that's very pretty. So we have a new box, and let's get this open. And then once you open it up, this is what you see. So the first thing that fell right out are the world's kindest hair ties. And these are going around in subscription boxes all the time. I have so many of them, but these are really cute. They're pink, of course, because she always goes with a lot of pinks. And they have little flamingos on 2 of them. Some are glitter, some are just flat, like solid colors. So those are really cute. This says Pop Brand London Hair Ties, $9 value. Straight from the UK comes the ultimate hair brand for girls and women of all ages. No more dented or ripped hair. No more shabby wrist rags. Instead, glamorous head and wrist candy that's every girl's best friend with beautiful colors and styles. Thepopbrand.com. So there's item number 1. This says Glitter Bitch, and it looks like they're all glitters. You were born to sparkle. Command attention whatever the occasion. Perfect for festivals, raves, holidays, or a fun night out. Safe for use on body, face, hair, and nails. Easy to apply. Apply glitter with your finger or a makeup brush for that shimmering look. For a firmer hold, apply a little gel first. Easy to rinse off with soap and warm water. So these I'm not going to open or anything because I don't do anything with glitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold these for a future giveaway. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy that. But there are some really cool colors. It looks like there's even like black. Looks like black, orange, and purple. That would definitely be perfect for Halloween looks, let me tell you. So that's kind of cool that they put this in the October box because, well, Halloween now is just a few days away. So, but that's cool. So we have that, and that card says Body Face Glitter, Halloween Edition. What did I just say? Halloween Edition. $10 retail value. Get sparkly this season with these fun glitter colors. Oh, there's a dog on here. Nail and Bone, the Animal Project Foundation. Oh my gosh, you know what? I know the perfect thing for this. This here, I am going to put in, when I finally reach 10K, I have a giveaway. There's going to be 4 different winners, 4 different themes, and I've kind of already exposed a few of the themes. One of them is a dog theme for like a dog mom, and this would be perfect. I'm having a lot of trouble finding things with dog related. I found more cat, so this is really cool. I'm going to definitely add this to that giveaway because that's perfect for that theme. So I'm actually really excited to have this, and this is in the color Peace. That's so cool. And it looks like it would have been one of 2 colors. One would have been like a hot pink, and then you have this light pink. Nail and Bone nail polish, $10 value. Nail and Bone supports various charities, including pet rescue and adoption organizations, by donating 20% of the proceeds from their products. All of their polishes are salon quality, cruelty-free, 8-free. I don't know what 8-free means, but it says 8-free. It says it on here too. Cruelty-free, 8-free, made in the USA. www.nailandbone.com. So that's amazing that they donate to different charities, and I really think that's so cute with the dog on there. So I'm so glad that this came in my last box, because that is definitely going in that giveaway, you guys. Next we have is, what is this? So this looks like a lanyard. This is glitter lanyard, retail value of $2. Super practical and fun glittery lanyard for your keys, cards, and more. So it's just like a little glittery, what is in there? Like a glittery rope with like black, like, looks like maybe a black netting that's around it. But that's really neat. And then you can hang your keychain on here, or if you have like a badge, you can put it around your neck, have your badge hang. So it's a multifunctional lanyard. So there's that, and that's valued only at $2. Okay, so here is Glitter Bitch. This right here says Glitter Bitch lip gloss, retail value of $16. Get luscious lips with this brand's new shade of Trisha's own sparkly lip gloss formula. And I did keep one the last time, and I personally wasn't really fond of it because it had chunks of glitter inside. I don't know how this one is going to be. Let me just see, because if it has chunks of glitter, I wouldn't even want it going to one of you guys. So let's see. So there's not chunks of glitter in this one. Okay. This one's way better than last time. So it looks just like a gloss. It kind of smells like spearmint, like a spearmint. Let me take the gloss off that I have on, and then I'll put this on. It's definitely like a spearmint or pepperminty. You guys, I actually really like that. It is definitely like a wintergreen, pepperminty, something or other. It doesn't say, it just says her own sparkly lip gloss formula. But I've never really put a lip gloss on that is more like spearmint, wintergreen. It's normally like fruity. So I actually like that. And it's just a nice little gloss with a little bit of color. I like that. Okay, so next we have is, ooh, this looks like this is a perfume. And that is definitely a different style bottle. Royal Perfume, $36. Bask in royalty with this luscious scented blend of argan oil, vanilla, and citrus. Prepare to command compliments and leaving everyone wanting more of the royal presence you bring to the room. Let's see what kind of royal presence we're gonna be bringing to this room. It's not, it just kind of smells like a light musk. It's not very strong at all. It's very, very light, like musky. I'm not smelling the citrus or the vanilla. I'm smelling like a musky scent. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that one, but there's that. And then it looks like there's one other item in here, and that is, ooh, a makeup eraser. I am so glad that this is in here, and I'm gonna tell you why. I did a mystery box from a company before. It's a company, they do their own subscription box, but I did a one-time mystery box, and I felt like it was a little overpriced, and it came with a makeup eraser, and you guys were telling me to use it, to try it, wash it first, and I'm like, huh? So I thought, well, I need to at least keep something out of this box. So I took your guys' advice. I opened the makeup eraser, I put it in the wash, and to my surprise, I freaking love this thing. I use it every single night. I always do laundry at least twice a week because I don't like to get piles of it. So when I have enough to do a load, I'll throw it in. So I'm constant. I wash it a few times a week, but there's two sides. One side's supposed to be like more scrubbier. It doesn't really seem like it's a scrubbier. This seems just like a normal washcloth. And you guys were telling me that they sell it at Marshall's and Ross and TJ Maxx, that kind of thing. So I was gonna try to go soon so I can get a backup. Ooh, and this one's bigger. Ooh, this one's a lot bigger. And it says bye-bye makeup wipes forever. This one's a lot bigger. So definitely I could use this one longer because I use like one section, I use another section. So I'm dirtying little sections as I go on for the few days. But this one's way bigger than the other one I got. And I really like that it's black, because the one that I have is all like a very, very light pink. So the moment you do one little swipe, it's black. So I like that this is black with the little lip prints on it. And I'm so glad, because I was gonna try to go find a store near me to see if they had them there, because I wanted to get another one just so I would have two and not have to wait, like, you know, to wash it, whichever. But I literally use this every single, not this one, but this brand, every single night to take my makeup off. I have a huge problem taking my eyeliner and my mascara off. It normally ends up getting black under my eyes and I really don't like it. That's why I never used to wear mascara until just recently, because this takes it off. So one night I forgot to use that first, and I just got in the shower. I was tired, hurried, whatever. And I was like, oh crap, I forgot to use my thing. So I'm like, all right, I'll just use my normal cleansers, do my normal thing like I used to do. And I got out of the shower and there was crap all over. So I tried to use a makeup wipe and I tried to use makeup remover products that I have to get it off. And I then had to go and get my makeup eraser to get everything else off. And I literally tried like 3-4 different steps to get everything off first. I use that, instantly gone. So I don't know what in the hell this thing is made out of. It looks just like a normal washcloth, but whatever they've done, they're sneaky. And this is an amazing, amazing product. So I am so glad to have another one. And this is bigger. Makeup eraser, $20 retail value. #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water, including waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more. And it does work. The original makeup eraser is made up of millions of tiny fibers to work as a suction for all dirt, makeup, and oil in your pores. Antibacterial, machine washable, and reusable for 3 to 5 years. One eraser equals 3,600 makeup wipes. Ultra soft, dermatologist approved, and great for sensitive skin. So I do not buy makeup wipes anymore, except to sit here on my thing. So when I do swatches, when I'm doing like makeup reviews and stuff like that, I can clean my arm off from my swatches. But that's the only thing I use my makeup wipes for, because I only use this makeup eraser now. And it's been a few months and I'm still using that thing every single day. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. It always seems like my very last box, or the first box, me not having it, is like the best box ever. And I'm so glad that I went out with this box, because this right here is worth it to me. Even though I could have went and bought it for $20 and saved money, this being $10 is going to that giveaway that I'm so excited to do. This is actually really nice and I like this. This will go to one of you guys, and I'll probably put in these hair ties in a giveaway as well, just because I already have too many of them. And then this is just okay, but hey, we got a perfume in here. So what do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this month's box. The total retail value, adding everything up, would be right here. This will be the total retail value of adding everything up for this particular box. Now, if you guys don't know about Glitter Bitch and you would like to know, let me let you know a little thing or two. Now, Glitter Bitch is packed with unique, fabulous, and fun products handpicked by Trisha Paytas. 7+ items in each box with the retail value of $150 is what it said on the website the first time I ordered. But then for my second box, it doesn't have a retail value anymore, and my second box was not $150 worth. It was less. So they've taken that off their website, but that's what it said when I first printed out this paper, when I first got my first box. So 6 months ago. So it doesn't say that now, but it still says 7+ items. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only available in the US and Canada. More countries to be added soon. I think they may have added a few of them. You'd have to just check their website to find out. Box to box plan, which is bi-monthly. It's $59.99 a box plus free shipping. Semi-annual, you prepay 3 boxes, which that's what I did, for $164.97, which brought that box down to $54.99. Annual, you'll get 6 boxes, $299.94, which brings it down to $49.99 per box. So sign up as a Glitter Bitch box subscriber and receive a new box packed with super fun Hollywood quality beauty products, lifestyle items, and accessories every 2 months, all curated by Trisha and delivered directly to your home. Now, my very first box had like this kid style plastic clear purse and a Glitter Bitch like silicone collapsible popcorn dish and some glitter, and like, I think that's the one that had the mug in it that was all glitter, or that could have been my second box, I'm not quite sure. And it also came with like a passport holder that was all pink that said Glitter Bitch. The second box, I can't really remember everything that was in it. It was slightly better than the first one. Now this one is totally better. To me, my opinion, this is the best box, but is this worth $60? I don't think so, because they're saying this is only 20, this is 10, her thing here is 16. These little guys are $9. Her her glitter here, she's calling this $10, which, you know, it's not really worth $10. And then this perfume for $36, which is not, it's not very, doesn't smell like, it's not my scent. And then this is $2. Ooh. So I honestly don't feel that you get your money's worth being $60 per box, but I'm glad that these items were in my last box, because I really, really wanted to go and buy another makeup eraser. And since I already bought this box and already paid for this box, I'm glad it came in here, so then I don't have to go and spend more money to go and actually buy it. And I'm so excited to put this in that giveaway for one of you guys. So when I finally reach 10K, somebody will be able to enjoy this. And I'm so excited about that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Please comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Again, this is my last box. This will not be on my channel anymore. And yeah, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.